Okay, so we have negative 3/8 and we're adding 5/6. A couple of things that we need to do here. Whenever I'm dealing with fractions that do not have like denominators, I know that I'm going to have to find a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this problem and I'm going to rewrite it stacked on top of itself. I'm going to have negative 3/8 plus 5/6. And I'm just going to stack it right on top of each other like so. And so in identifying this new denominator, I need to find something that both of these numbers will multiply into. And I want to find the smallest number that both of these numbers will multiply into. You may be able to come up with it in your head, but I'm going to talk about what you would do in your head to find that problem. I'm going to start listing multiples. And the multiples of 8, let's always start with 8 times 1. 16, 24, and I'm just going to list the first few for each one. 6, 12, 18, 24, and I have actually found one that does match for both of them, and this is the smallest number that matches for both of them. So for 8 and 6, I have found a common multiple. This is our least common multiple, and this is going to go as our new denominator. 24 here and 24 here. Now, anytime our denominator changes, our numerator must also change. To get from 6 to 24, you can see here that we multiplied by 1, 2, 3. We multiplied by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. If we multiply our denominator by 4, we must also multiply our numerator by 4. 5 times 4 will give us our new numerator. Likewise, with the 8, we've multiplied it by 1, 2, 3. So if we multiply the 8 by 3, we must also multiply the 3 by 3. That will give us 9. A very common mistake in working these is once we have our new fractions to deal with, the negative sometimes is not brought over. It's very important that that negative gets brought over. This is a negative 9/24, and we are adding 20/24. Now that we have common denominators, I know that the denominator of my answer will be 24. Really, once we have like denominators, we're doing our operations with the numerators. We have a negative 9 plus 20. Now when we deal with negative 9 plus 20, one of our rules whenever we're adding unlike integers, when I say unlike, one is negative and one is positive, when they are not the same, we have to subtract the two values. So I'm going to just say 20 minus 9, and 20 minus 9 is 11, so I'm going to put 11 here. Now to know if your answer is positive or negative, all you have to do is look at the two numbers that you used to get that number and see which one has the greater absolute value, which one has the greater distance from 0, the negative 9 or the 20. In this case, it is the 20, it is the positive number, so my answer is positive 11/24. That will not simplify. This is our answer.